Yeah! Yeah! I need to catch a break. It feels like I've been running around in circles. There has to be an exit in this place. Maybe I can hide out here. Ah!
Amy, get on!
You guys!
Now let's get out of here.
All right, I'm backing out. Hang on. Ah!
Whoa, I got you.
Thanks for coming for me.
No prob.
Amy, is that really you? You know what I'm talking about now when I talk about underground men.
Oh, hey, a princess. Your Majesty.
Yes.
Oh,
What? The crawlers are forming together to make themselves huge! Whoa!
Whoa!
Everyone, hang on! This is gonna be a bumpy ride!
We need to stop them right here, or else they'll destroy the village.
Maybe I have something in my notes that can help us stop them! There has to be a reason they sacrificed their own princess! Long ago, there lived a beautiful and fair princess, a kingdom she loved with all her heart, and one where her subjects loved her just as much. She cared for them. They laughed together. They played all day. It was a happy kingdom. But one day, a plague suddenly fell on this land. They tried their best to cure it, but eventually the sickness got to the plants too. Everyone and everything was dying. This left the princess heartbroken. She pleaded to the gods that in exchange for her life, the suffering would subside. Soon after her sacrifice, the land and her people healed. From that point on, her subjects decided that only their princess's sacrifice can stop their sorrows. So in times of need, they seek her out and bring her back. So that's why they kidnapped me? I happen to look like their long-lost princess? Well, that sure sounds like a sane plan. What? Still, what can we do to calm them down? Maybe, just maybe, what if we sacrificed a decoy?
Set up a decoy, huh? Well then, Knuckles and I can keep that monster busy. So glad this is a princess story where I can clobber something.
Alright, let's hightail it to the village. Perfect, we can get supplies there. Sticks, can you make a doll? Got it.
Oh, no, you don't. Ah! Man, that's one powerful hit. Whoa! Nope, not getting hit by that again. This is gonna be a lot tougher than I thought. Any ideas how to bring this guy down? Dead war level, preferably.
Huh? I'm just like you. You're just like me.
What? You found the kidnappers.
Well, yeah, but,
That's great news.
tell us how we can help defeating them. We need to band together and make a sacrificial dummy for the sacrifice. No! You guys need to hide. They're extremely dangerous.
We suffered for too long.
Sacrifice!
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 Sacrifice! You guys really need to leave. We finished. Ready to see it? Already? Uncanny resemblance, right? I guess, but there's no guarantee this will work. At this point, it's worth a shot. Let's go help Sonic and Knuckles.
Wait! Let us join you in the fight. We've suffered for generations. It's time we put an end to this.
No! You guys have to evacuate from here. We can't guarantee your safety if you stay here.
But we want to fight.
We don't care how dangerous it is.
We've been afraid for too long.
You guys don't understand. The kidnappers can turn into a giant. Don't you feel that rumbling? How are you going to stand up against that?
It doesn't matter. Besides, I can ask you the same thing.
Guys? Oh! What just crashed?
I'm a ballerina.
Sonic! And Knuckles. Oh no! Are you all right?
Run! We can't fight that. Amy?
Stop right there! I'll go with you and leave this village alone! Don't worry, Sonic. I'll be fine.
Ames. No.
It's okay. It's all gonna be okay.
Amy!
I'm sorry, guys. I have to do this.
She's sacrificing herself for us.
What are we gonna do, Sonic?
Let's go give them a parting gift. Hey!
Huh? Sonic!
Hey! Hey!
I was wondering, as my last command as your princess, could you cover your eyes? Huh!
Hey, grab on!
I hope this works. Oh, you can open your eyes now. Jeez, you guys could have at least shed some more tears if I'm that replaceable.
We can't begin to thank you guys enough.
We're free from their tyranny.
There is no way we can ever fight them, but at least we can make a decoy to keep them at bay.
I hooked up both planes, so we're ready to go.
Come on, at least let us fly back. We just got here with minimal screen time.
You guys shut off autopilot and almost ruined the engine. I almost had to trash the plane with how badly you guys piloted it. I don't think I've ever seen him this mad. Scary.
Hip, hip, hooray! What's wrong? Not ready to leave?
I am. It's just... it felt nice being a princess. Everyone admires you, and they're thankful for you caring for them. And not that it means I'm gonna stay here and become a princess for the rest of my life. I'm just saying it was nice not having to worry about Eggman for once.
Joe! Ah! Someone's talking about me. I can feel it. Well, we can't make you a princess back home, but I can carry a princess style. You know, if that makes you happy and like a friend and stuff. And
Yeah, I like that. Thanks. Anyways, while I'm being carried as a princess, my first order is to carry me home like this.
As you wish.